Broadcast TV is still free, and it always has been. Look, I get it. Picking up TV signals with your antenna can be challenging. There are so many variables that determine the success of glorious HD TV or aggravating digital breakup. But it can be done. Everyone can do it. Everyone is welcome to it. Talking to you, Marcus. That dude never stops. So let's talk about the wiring. Can you tell the difference between this cable TV wire and this antenna wire? It's the same wire. The cabling in your house that you've been using for cable TV can be used with an antenna. Again, same wire. If you're having problems with your antenna reception, here are some things to look out for. First, kinks in your cable. If your cable is kinked like this, it's gotta go. This cannot be repaired, even if you try to stretch it back out. I know it's usually necessary to bend a cable, but don't bend it too tight. Think about wrapping it around something the size of a beer bottle. Next, squished cables. Have you parked a dresser on your wire? Did you smash it in the door frame? This can't be repaired. Replace it. Send it away. Next, slashed cables, deep cuts. Look for cuts like this. I've seen carpet installers create this defect when they put new carpet down over a floor with a wire coming up from below. Even though it isn't cut all the way through, it still wrecks the signal. We're dealing with high frequencies here. Next, loose fittings. If your wire wasn't terminated correctly, it will likely fail. You may be able to fix this. Next, loose connections. This should be an easy fix. We're just looking for finger tight. We're not looking for a gorilla grip, but if you need to use a wrench, it's a 7/16. Somebody please tell that to Marcus. There's a few solutions to a few problems. In the next video, we'll go over how to figure out which direction to aim your antenna. Till then, I will keep transmitting free high-def TV to you, my favorite viewer, because I am WNIN.